Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So how did I build my team? How did I start sponsoring people? I can honestly say I didn't necessarily do it on purpose, meaning I didn't have a plan to message 10 people every day. I didn't have a script. I didn't kind of really focus on sponsoring people just because it just kind of happened organically. So how I built my team, all of my teammates, yeah, I think every single one of them actually, they heard about me through YouTube. So you're likely watching me now on YouTube. That's how I think everybody heard of me. I might have a friend or two, obviously, who knew me from before, but most people were from YouTube. So they must have seen something that they could really resonate with, and they thought, okay, this is the person that I want to teach me and to help me grow my Epicure business. Having that said, I have teammates who say, I'm not interested in selling something, I just want the kit for myself. But every single one of those people do start selling. Maybe not making $2,000 a month in commission, but they might be making $200 a month in commission. And they might be saying, well, I do this part-time, but it's just so easy to sell that I kind of like doing it that way. So that's the truth right there, you guys, is I didn't necessarily have a plan. That might not be what you want to hear though, because if you're sitting back saying, okay, I want to grow my team, because as we all know, the more people you have on your team means you make more commission. So why not? And you love being a part of this company. So you want to help other people love being a part of this company too. You're not wanting people to join the company just for your own sake, right? Like you don't want them to just make you more money. Every single person says, hey, Epicure's awesome. Epicure has literally changed my life. Food, eating, meal prep, shopping is so much easier because I have a plan. For a lot of people, they have said, because of my health concerns, I can't have salt, or I have to have limited salt, or sugar just can't happen. They might have a peanut allergy. We have no peanuts at all. So it could be a health condition where that kind of brought them into Epicure in the first place. But what I find happens the most often is people just try Epicure because they know somebody selling it, and then they go, oh wow, this is really good. Like I just made this Indian inspired dish that I would not have made ever before, just because I bought the Indian pack from Epicure. And then they go, oh, well, how would I buy the Italian pack, So that's just how it happens. So you might be wondering, okay, fine, sure, whatever, but how do I build my team? I do feel it's different for everybody. So what seems to work for me are YouTube videos. I do not do in-home cooking classes. I do them all online, but I'm able to build my team. I am able to make a good amount of commission from that just by online and doing YouTube videos. That seems to help me. Like I get online orders. I get people emailing me saying, so I've been interested in Epicure. I saw your video online. Can you tell me more? So I tell them more. It's that simple. And then it just kind of happens from there. But what a lot of people kind of want to know, which makes perfect sense, is, well, how can I talk to somebody about being on my team? Because I do feel people are interested, but I don't want to talk to them and then make them feel like I'm trying to sell them the idea. Like I want them to want it, and then I just simply give them the information. The best way to do that is to just post every so often about this opportunity. Post a picture of you cooking, I don't know, you wearing the Epicure apron, and then saying, I'm so happy. I have been with Epicure now for 6 months. I have made commission. I have been able to earn some extra money. This is so nice, Post a picture of that kit that you got in the mail and say, yay, I am so excited to have gotten my kit from Epicure. I have all of this new cookware, meal packs that will last me for the month, or whatever. post another picture saying, I didn't think that I could earn commission selling Epicure because I'm not a salesperson, but I just made $200 this month. Thank you guys so much for your orders. This has helped me pay for, I don't know, something. I don't know. People like to hear real stories, okay? So tell them how much commission you made. Why not? You know, tell them that. When you host an online cooking class, post about how much your hostess made in free products. Those little things, even though you're not saying, come sign up with me, makes people think, oh, wow, so maybe I should sign up for Epicure. It's so true that people will see posts more than once. They might see it 10, 20 times, and then they will send you a message. Then they will say, hey, I've been seeing your posts. How do I sign up? They might literally come out of nowhere. And they could be that person who you wouldn't even have thought in a million years would want to sign up with you, but they say, oh, I saw your post the other day, can you tell me like how to sign up? Like, I'm just curious. They might not even seem that interested. You sign them up, and then the next day they have sold $2,000 worth of product, and you're kind of thinking, oh my God, she says she didn't even really seem that interested. Oh my God, how did she just sell $2,000? You made this much in commission. She made this much in commission. You know, how awesome is that? So post every so often. And I say every so often, meaning like once a week, you know, but be consistent though, you guys, because what ends up happening is a lot of people don't know that you might be interested in having people sign up with you either, right? Somebody might be watching your posts, your, you know, posts, cooking classes, everything. They want to sign up with Epicure, but they might sign up under somebody else that they know who also sells it. They might for some reason just think, oh, well, she hasn't really mentioned signing up with Epicure, so maybe she doesn't want me to sign up under her, you know? So just kind of make posts about it, but then also do the odd post of, hey, if you guys have been thinking about signing up for Epicure, let me know. I am so happy to help. We have an amazing team. If you're like, I don't know how to be a team leader, I don't know what the heck that is, that's where I come in, you guys. We're not all made to be leaders or teachers, and that's not a bad thing. I'm not saying I'm perfect either, really. I'm not, but I like helping people, you know, so I can help you. If you sign somebody up and they're asking you questions and you're kind of like, I don't know how to answer their questions, I just kind of started, I don't know what's going on, I can help you guys. So don't also think, well, I don't want people to sign up under me because I don't really know how to help them. You want people to sign up under you because that means more commission. And why not? You're helping somebody else make some amazing money by just selling Epicure. They don't have to work hard. They don't have, I mean, I'm not saying that they don't have to work hard because as an example, if you're doing like in-person cooking classes like every day, that's hard work, but you make great money for that, right? So, and now is a really good time because everybody's at home and they're probably looking for some extra income to make. So I hope that helps you guys. I don't have a script, but find what works for you. If you're thinking to yourself, YouTube videos is not my thing, that's okay. Just post online. But I do feel like you have to do something. Like if you don't want a group on Facebook, if you don't want to do YouTube videos, you can still make it work, but then you would just kind of be talking to people in your own circle of friends, which isn't bad either if you have a lot of friends. So you kind of have to pick something. So let me know your thoughts on that. Comment below. Also, let me know if you guys have built a team and what works for you. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.